Today was a gift from the Patterson Foundation to our community. It was an exploration of catalytic thinking with Hildy Gottlieb.
We call it catalytic because things can change in a heartbeat the minute you change the questions you're asking. And we focus on the thinking because the thinking is what creates our actions. What do we really want? And we want a community where people trust each other. And it was grating on me. I just kept feeling, stop saying it's hard. The real resources that we want are all around us, and they are abundantly easy to share.
My takeaway today is all the positivity and the understanding that we are enough, we do have enough, and if we work together, we have more than enough. Such an encouraging message.
To hit those big, overreaching, powerful goals and include everybody in the conversation to make that work and to make it attainable.
For really, that's our heart's focus, then we need to always remember to keep that at the center, is that what is our purpose and how are we allowing children to thrive?
Talk about reading, you do tend to just think about schools and teachers and people who work directly with children, but it's about the community at large. So it's not just directly with children, but those that work indirectly with children to really make it successful.
Who else cares about what you care about, and what could you accomplish together that you can't accomplish on your own?
And really allowing space and time to be creative with our thought and work together to figure out what it is we can do.
We often face strategic planning as problem solving, focusing on the problem. And so the more ways that we have shared values and experiences that are based on what's going right, I think just leads us to a different type of collaboration.
Today taught me how to frame the questions in a different way, a more inclusive way, and I'm hoping more effectively.
Because when we're at our best, decisions just flow.
I'm so excited to take what I learned here, to spread the word and think about the possibilities of what we all are invested in and bringing all the stakeholders to the table. It was phenomenal.